Work as an assistant photographer. Most photographers often need a second shooter, like at weddings and events, or an assistant during photo shoots. If you aren't too confident about going out there on your own and taking on clients by yourself, working as an assistant or a second shooter is a great way to earn some experience. There are other benefits if you work as an assistant photographer. It will help you learn the business side of photography. You will get to work with other professionals. You will do all the running around, but learn a lot too. It will help you build confidence. How to find jobs as an assistant photographer. Check out job sites like Indeed and others. Look at the LinkedIn profile of your preferred company or person. Look up the website or Facebook page of your targeted photographer or company. Search in Facebook groups. Collect emails and phone numbers, then send emails or make a phone call. Tips to getting hired as an assistant photographer. Sell yourself, show your quality. Build a solid website and keep it updated so that anyone hiring has a reference. Put together a portfolio that shows off your creative and technical prowess. Then customize it to the photographer you want to work for. If he or she relies mainly on studio lighting, for example, include images that show your ability with lights. Decide how you want to work, full-time or freelance. James Porto, an influential high-concept photographer, thinks you should do both. The ideal path would be to work for a single photographer who you admire for at least a year, then to freelance for multiple photographers, Porto says. Freelancing pays better too. Follow up. If you've assisted a photographer and all went well, send a thank you note saying you'd like to work for him or her again, and expressing the hope that he or she will refer you to other photographers. Keep networking. Even if you end up working full-time as a photo assistant for one photographer, it's important to establish new connections. Do this on shoots, of course, but attend photo community events too.